Welcome to our channel. Watching channels on Android TV legally means using official apps and services. Follow these step-by-step instructions for comprehensive access. Step 1. Download live TV streaming apps from the Google Play Store. YouTube TV, Hulu Live, Fubo TV, and Sling TV all offer dozens of channels. Step 2. Install free streaming apps like Pluto TV, Tubi, and Zumo. These provide hundreds of free channels with no subscription required. Step 3. Add network apps like ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox, and PBS for free access to network content and some live programming. Step 4. Try news apps like ABC News, CBS News, CNN, and Fox News for free 24/7 live news coverage. Step 5. Download sports apps from ESPN, Fox Sports, and NBC Sports for sports content. Some require cable authentication, but highlights are often free. Step 6. Install channel-specific apps based on your interests. Discovery Plus, Food Network, HGTV, and others offer on-demand content. Step 7. Check if your cable or satellite provider has an Android TV app. Many providers let you stream all your channels on mobile devices. Step 8. Use YouTube for free access to thousands of channels from content creators worldwide, plus official channels from networks and studios. Building a collection of legal apps provides better quality than unofficial streaming sources. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.